Watched her, quietly, not just the illness, but what it was doing inside. It had come without warning. A cold, then fever, then the slow tightening of breath. Johnsy took to bed. Pneumonia does not always take the body first. Sometimes it takes the will. She has a chance, the doctor said, but very little desire to live. After that, she turned to the window, not to the sky, not to the light, only the ivy. Once it had been full, leaves layered over leaves, clinging, alive. Now she counted them, 10, 9, 8, each one falling like something decided. Sue tried. She spoke of spring, of work, of days still waiting, but hope would not listen. Downstairs, there lived an old painter, Berman, a lifetime spent waiting for a masterpiece. The vine thinned, the wall showed through, bare, cold, unforgiving. That night, the storm came, rain against the glass, wind through the streets, and somewhere in that darkness, someone did not sleep. By morning, there should have been nothing, no leaves, no reason to hold on. But she looked again, and something remained, just one. It did not tremble, not with the wind, not with the rain. It held, impossible, and yet there. It was never a leaf, not truly, just paint on brick, placed there in the storm, a final act from hands that had waited a lifetime to matter, and somehow it did.